Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Khairuddin bin Jalani and I am the leader of the group for this final year project. And I am also the director of the Megah Premium Construction, which is our company. And now I will present my part, which is task 1A and task 1B. First, let me tell you about the background of our project, which is Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd. Megah Construction Sdn Bhd was incorporated by Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia (SSM) and are established on 9 March 2011. It is to improve the quality and capability of construction in Sarawak. Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd is more focused with the constructing work with full work experience and knowledge in construction industry. Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd is ready to penetrate the market of Sarawak construction industry and taking steps to improve in terms of service and quality work in the business. Our company is located at the 3-story intermediate shop lot in Batukawa near Imat Batukawa. We chose Batukawa area as the location of our headquarters is because it is in the circle of industrial area and it is bustling with development. Besides, it is also near Kuching as its location is the main area of industrial as there is a lot of clients come from Kuching. And the project we receive are often located throughout the area. Next, let's move to company registration. Our company registered under SSM, CIDB, BPKU, MOF, KWSP, UPKJ, LHDN, SPKK, and Perkeso. And for your information, the secretary of our company is Hok Seng Lee Berhad, which is held by Datuk Haji Idris bin Buang. The objective of the company is to give a good impression and create trust with the client and public by showing our efficient working skill and build a high quality product according to the client's standard and requirement. And next is vision and mission. The mission of our company is to provide a friendly and best quality of service to our client by the help of professional members of the company. Next is to prioritize safety and healthy working environment on-site and off-site. Prioritize health and safety of the company members and workers. Constant training and supervision of each member of the company. Making sure all the workers are working together as a team to ensure all the work are done with quality and integrity. And then it is also to improve our service continuously, respond immediately to the changing needs of our clients. For the vision, we are strive to providing a fast and efficient construction service, providing a friendly, safety, and comfortable working environment in workplace, meeting all the standards placed by our client, aspire to be professional company trusted and reliable in the industry by providing an excellent service to our client. Next is financial resource. Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd is funded by M Bank Group and Maybank. The authorized capital of the company is RM 3 million and RM 2 million for paid-up capital. There are 5 members of the company shareholders. One of them is me, myself, Muhammad Khairuddin bin Jalani, as a director with 40% share. Then we have Juventus Rios Anak John, the CEO of the company, with 30% share. Nur Azian Izati binti Ismail, project director, 10%. Nur Alia Shahira binti Osman, financial director with 10% share, and Sharifah Nur Aina Farizan binti Wan Virus as the administration director with 10% of share. Next, we move to board of director of Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd. First, we have the director, me, myself, Muhammad Khairuddin bin Jalani, the chief executive officer, CEO, Juventus Rios Anak John, project director, Nurul Azian Izati binti Ismail, the Finance Director Nur Alia Sahira binti Osman, and Administration Director Sharifah Nur Aina Faizan binti Wan Lis Fairuz. Next, as you can see, this is Megah Premium Construction Neighborhood Organization chart. Start from above, the director, all the member of board director, the main staff, and other workers. Next is company assets. First, we got the office, which is located at Shop Lot Batukawa, Kuching, Sarawak. Then we have machineries that owned by the company, such as excavator, backhoe, material handling machine, bulldozer, high-reach demolition machines, and more. Then, for the company's transportation, we have pick and truck, lorry, heavy-duty lorry, transportation van, and more. For the company tools, we also got precision measuring digital clipper, steel measuring tape, screwdriver set, claw hammer, and many more. And we also have company's equipment such as concrete mixer, spray gun, cordless circular saw, and a lot more. Lastly, we show you the list of the completed and ongoing project of Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd. So, my part is end here, and I will let the next group member to present more about Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd. So, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Naomi Bazila binti Abdul Halim, and I'm going to present my part is 2A and 2B. The first one is Letter of Acceptance. Our offer letter is on 24 January 2021 and signed by our director Muhammad Khairuddin bin Jalani. Next is Summary of Tender. First, preliminaries amount is 233,376 and 57 cents. The second is piling. The amount of piling is 208,906 and 80 cents. The third is building works. The amount of building works that we get is 2,111,485 and 78 cents. For mechanical and electrical, we got 957,105 and 75 cents. For external work, we got 1,200,407 and 40 cents. For provisional sum, we got 690,000. So the total of our tender is 5,401,282 and 30 cents. The third one is build-up rate. This build-up rate is for building works only. First is work below lowest floor finishes. Second is frame. Third is roof. Fourth is external works, internal works, doors, window, floor finishes, wall finishes, ceiling finishes, and lastly plumbing system. So this is my example for build-up rates. The last one is quotation letter. There are 8 companies that we get for the quotation. First, Samalaju Concrete Sdn Bhd, Cahaya Mata Sarawak, Yungkong Metal, Daiti Trading, White Horse Ceramic, Asian Mark, Hardwood Timber, and Polyfloor. That's all for me, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Kalisto Sitin. I'm going to talk about the performance bond and insurance policy. A performance bond, also known as a contract bond, is a surety bond issued by an insurance company or a bank to guarantee satisfactory completion of a project by a contractor. Our performance bond cost is RM270,064.12. Next is the contractor all risk. Contractors all risk insurance cater mainly to the protection needs of the construction industry. This policy is designed to provide protection against losses or damages in respect of the contract works at contract site and third-party claims arising in connection with the construction of projects. Moving on is the public liability insurance. Typical public liability insurance will provide indemnity in respect of liability at law for damages arising from accidental injury to third parties or accidental damage to third-party property arising in connection with the projects. It may also cover liability for damages arising out of nuisance or trespass committed by the insured and any rights with which the insured may accidentally interfere the course of the development. Moving on is the workmen compensation insurance. The workmen compensation insurance policy provides for legal liability coverage for compensation to your employees for bodily injury or death caused due to accidents or occupational diseases arising out of in course of employment. The workmen compensation insurance is the primary method by which an employer can demonstrate the ability to satisfy the obligations imposed by the workers' compensation statutes. Lastly is the Social Security Organization or SOCSO. The Social Security Organization provides social security protection by social insurance, including medical and cash benefits, provision of artificial aids, and rehabilitation of employees to reduce the sufferings and to provide financial guarantees and protection to the family.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noalia Zahira binti Osman. I am from AP116C and I am also one of the shareholder of the Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd. For today, I would like to present on construction site. So as you can see here, this is the site layout of the cadangan pembinaan sebuah pusat komuniti 2 tingkat yang terdiri daripada Dewan, Pusat Aktiviti Remaja, Pusat Jagaan Orang Tua, Klinik and also Tadika, which is located at Lot 38516 Batu Tujuh, Jalan Puchong, Mukim Petaling, Kuala Lumpur. As you know, the project is handled by our company, which is Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd. As you can see here, the construction area are the blue one, which take almost all the part of construction site, and at the site of the construction is where the site office, canteen, storage, workers accommodation, meeting room and more. The passage or access road is located near the main road, while it is heading straight at the parking lot, which will be easier for the visitors and client to park their vehicles and to get access to the construction site. So next we will go to the Gantt chart.
The Gantt chart shown the construction planning for the project. The project milestone is start on 21st of May 2021, consequently start along with preliminaries work, followed by piling work, building work, external, until turfing work. The building work are classified to WB, LFF, with superstructure work and architectural work with the total duration around 247 days to complete. The milestone finish will be expected on the 21st of April 2023, and hence for the overall duration for the construction are 501 days, which is 2 years of the project. So as you can see here, this is the arrow network diagram that shows the flow chart of the construction progress from preliminaries work until the turfing work. Each of the work that need to be done has been classified and followed the duration given in the Gantt chart, which is according to the project plan.
So we move to the cash flow part. Cash flow is the movement of expenditure out of construction project. If we can see in the cash flow, the total cost for the construction is Rm 5,401,282 ringgit and 30 cents. From the cash flow, we can see the most amount of money out is in February 2023, which is Rm 959,565 ringgit and 94 cents. Next is S-curve part. S-curve is a line that shows the cumulative expenditure of a project direct and indirect costs per month. As you can see in the figure, these lines get the S shape. For the financial S-curve, as taught earlier, the highest amount of money that out was in February 2023, as I highlighted in the data. The work carried out during the month is final work, which are external work, M&E, and provisional sum. For the physical S-curve, there we can see which month is the busiest month. The busiest month is February 2023, as highlighted right in the data. For that month is 17.77% and followed by January, which has a percentage 13.73%. Next is the duration of building works. As for work below lowest finish, it will take 98 days, framework will take 47 days, roof will take 89 days, external wall will take 20 days, internal wall and partition 25 days, doors will take 16 days, windows will take 19 days, floor finish will take 47 days, wall finish will take 36 days, ceiling finish will take 122 days, plumbing system will take 6 days, M&E service will take 63 days, external work will take 28 days, and last is provisional sum will take 27 days.
Okay, now for the task for A, I'm Sharfa Aina. We'll start the elaboration and explanation with the site organization chart of the Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd. This is our company's site organization chart. The chart contains the list of people that have been involved in the site and the project. Each of them have their own responsibilities to fulfill to make the construction went smoothly and ensure the successful of the project. Next is Site Safety Implementation Plan. It is important to every project implement with the Site Safety Implementation Plan. The Health and Safety Management Plan aims to implement the policies and approach outlined in the Environmental Management System. Site Safety Implementation Plan goals is to ensure the safety of the project. There are a lot of elements that contained in the Site Safety Implementation Plan, which are policies, legal requirements, hazard identification and risk assessment, roles and responsibilities, training and awareness, operational control, and else. Move to the site safety policy. It is crucial to every construction project to have the site safety policy. It is to avoid any accidents occur and ensure the safety of the workers and the site. This policy is to show the commitment of the Megah Premium Construction Sdn Bhd in handling the management and worker safety and health. It is also made to remove or reduce the risk of the health, safety, and welfare of the all construction site workers, the contractors of the company, and the visitors or anyone else who may be affected by our business operation. Plus, the company mission is to ensure all work activities are done safely and responsibly. Daily work report is important to keep track the daily activities. The primary purpose is to know the progress of the work and to provide a detailed description of an ongoing construction project. The daily work report records all on-site work, including the daily weather condition, the work performed for the day, a list of personnel employed to the task, and the project leader comments. For this project, some of the tasks that we record in the report were installing parapet wall, installing brick wall, assemble formwork, concreting work, construction of roof slab, so on and so forth. For the next part, I will pass to the ASEAN to elaborate and explain about it.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Azan Izzati binti Ismail. I will present regarding monthly progress claim, extension of time and G forms and CCC. The first one is monthly progress claim. Claim is known as the monthly payment from client to the contractor when the work completed, or the compensation for damage caused by failure of the other party to fulfill his obligation as specified in the contract. The payment usually in the form of additional payment or extension of time. The claim also has been counted by the percentage of completion work. This project have been constructed for 1 year, and the claim has been done for this project is from 3rd of June 2021 until 3rd of June 2022. Next is about extension of time. Extension of time is a delay which could not be reasonably foreseen at the time of the contract signing. The reason of extension of time for this project is force majeure. Force majeure is stated under clause 43.1a JKR 203A. Meanwhile, the situation causes of delay for this project also stated under clause 58.2a, which is an event of force majeure that beyond control of both parties, which is pandemic situation of COVID-19. The pandemic situation forced all the workers need to stop doing their job because of the movement control order that given by the government, especially the activity in the construction site. This project have been delayed for 3 months, which is it is supposed to complete by 21st of April 2023, but have been extended until 21st of July 2023 without any further delay. Last part is regarding G-Forms and CCC. G-Forms and CCC is known as a Certificate of Completion and Compliance. This certificate have been introduced by the Street, Drainage and Building Amendment Act 2007 enforced on 12th of April 2007 to replace the previous system, which is Certificate of Fitness for Occupation. This certificate issued when the completion of project is in accordance with the approved building plan and supervision of all works has been conducted by principal submitting person, which is architect, engineer and registered building draftsman who submit building plans. Here I prepare our company certificate and other sample forms that have been done by the others members. That's all from me. Thank you.
This is our executive summary for this project, and it is contain a short statement that have a short information background for this project. This project started at 20 May 2021 and complete at 20 May 2023. So this is our progress claim. Progress claim are usually used in contract. It is a claim for a payment being progressively as the work are complete. Manpower schedule help on handling and controlling the site with systematic, especially on the workers' duties based on scope of work followed by progress of project and needs on the site. Manpower schedule must refer to Gantt chart schedule. This is an example of manpower schedule from June 2022. Material schedule will help on handling and controlling the site systematically, especially on the material used on the site by workers daily. All of the material must be prepared easier so the workers can execute the work easier on the site. Material schedule must refer to Gantt chart schedule to follow the scope of work based on daily, weekly, and monthly. This is an example of manpower schedule from June 2022. This is an example of plant and machinery schedule from June 2022. This schedule shows a machineries used for each of the day. Plant and machinery schedule must refer to Gantt chart schedule.
A very good morning to society. My name is Juventus Rios from FP166C. I would like to begin my presentation for FFP for you right now. For the contract information, it is important to be included in the progress report. It is to make sure it is easy to refer about the contract in the report. The contract information is including the contract particular, questionnaire, company registration number, contract sum, commencement date, completion date, contract report, performance bond, workman compensation policy number, contractor all rights policy number, main contractor and the parties involved. The parties involved is Dewan Bandaraya Kuala Lumpur and our contractor Megah Premium Construction. As for the variation order refers to any change to the scope of work, planning and specification or contract document in a construction project. A component of the change management process in which change in the scope of work agreed to by the client, contractor and architect are implemented. This is our version order for our contract. And next we have quality assurance and quality control report. Quality assurance is to fulfill front and back end process in the most efficient and fluid manner, delivering the intent product or service on time and within budget and going above and beyond in our transaction and interaction with the consumer. The quality assurance is including the list of method statement, list of material approved on site and list of inspection report. The inspection report should be done by the contractor, supervisor and the project manager. It is really important to assure the safety in the construction site. Then we have the activity report for safety and health. It helps identify work-related health and safety hazard, risks and dangers. It also helps to identify the cause of accident and appropriate controls can then be put in place to prevent further occurrence of such events. Here is the activity report on safety and health. For the accident report, slips and fall already happened 3 times, electrocution 0, overreaction 3, burn 1 times, machinery accidents 1 times and explosion 0. And lastly, for the site photograph of progress photograph. As you can see, this man construct upper and lower roof beam formwork and this general worker construct reinforcement bar for roof beam. And all of this general worker install the roof beam frame and reinforcement bar. All of this need to be captured to make sure all of the progress are going smoothly in the construction site. That's all from me, sir. Thank you.